How to turn off iPhone may be too close. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Limit Usage section and tap on Screen Distance. This feature helps in reducing eye strain. To reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia in children, Screen Distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. If you don't want this feature, then turn off the Screen Distance switch at the top. Following these steps, you can easily turn off iPhone may be too close. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.